What's up, guys? Welcome back to the factory. Today we're doing something insane. We're taking a simple roll of fabric and turning it into a multi-million-dollar Formula One beast. You don't want to miss this process. Let's get to work. Look at this texture. It looks like just black cloth, right? But after baking it in that massive oven under extreme pressure, it becomes stronger than a steel and lighter than a feather. It's basically engineering magic. This is the moment of truth. We call it the marriage. We're bolting the engine directly to the driver's seat. There is zero room for error here. If it's off by even a millimeter, the whole car is trash. Pure precision. Now it actually looks like a race car. We've checked the aerodynamics with the smoke, the electronics are live, and finally the shoes. These massive tires are the only thing connecting all that raw power to the track. And there she is. Absolute perfection. From a dark lab to the racetrack ready. If you enjoyed watching this monster come to life, smash that like button and subscribe for the next build. Catch you later.